Hello friends, this is Swati Martanda Chatur working as assistant professor in chemistry at Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj, Nashik. In this lecture, I will be focusing on the general organic chemistry. Why there is need to study the general organic chemistry? Because in higher level chemistry, there are lots of reactions, and in these reactions, there are formation of intermediates which we have to study, and also the reactivity. Therefore, the general organic chemistry covers the fundamental concepts in the vast field of organic chemistry, and also the strong understanding of the concept that comes under the general organic chemistry plays a vital role in the study of relatively advanced topic such as the mechanisms of name reaction. Therefore, in this topic, we are going to study the inductive effect, hyperconjugation, resonance effect, and stability of alkene. So let's start with the electron displacement effect. So what is electron displacement effect? The effect occurring due to displacement of electron in organic compound is called electron displacement effect or electron delocalization effect. There are two types of electron displacement effects: permanent effect and temporary effect. The inductive effect, hyperconjugation, and resonance are the permanent effect, and electromeric and inductomeric are the temporary effect. So why these are permanent effect and why these two are temporary effect? Because suppose a molecule A bond B, if in this molecule there is presence of inductive effect, then the inductive effect act itself a molecule. There is no any outside molecule to affect them. Same as a hyperconjugation and resonance. That means if there is a presence of inductive effect, then itself act within a molecule. Therefore, it is called permanent effect. And the inductomeric and electromeric effects are the temporary effect, because we have a molecule here is propene. The propene is reacted with this H plus ion, and in this reaction there is a breaking of pi bond take place and the formation of negative charge over one carbon atom and the positive charge over the another carbon atom, and the formed negative charge will attack over this H plus and we got the product as a carbocation. That means the complete shifting of pi electron pair of a multiple bond to one of the bonded atom in presence of attacking reagent is called electromeric effect. In the electromeric effect, the attacking reagent is act, therefore this is the temporary effect. That means here the attacking reagent, that means this is an outside molecule to affect this electromeric effect, therefore this effect is called temporary effect. And in case of inductomeric effect, this is also temporary effect, because here also attacking reagent is nucleophile to affect and the inductive effect of this group is increases. This inductomeric effect is generally in nucleophilic addition reaction. So let's start with inductive effect. Here we have a electronegativity values. The fluorine has a 4.0. Fluorine is the most electronegative atom in the periodic table, and as we know, the electronegativity of an atom get increases from left to right in periodic table and decreases from top to bottom. Therefore, the fluorine is the most electronegative atom in the periodic table. The inductive effect, this is the permanent displacement of sigma electron density towards more electronegative element, is called as inductive effect. Here we have a molecule A bond B, and suppose the B is more electronegative, that means B atom attracts this sigma electron pair towards itself. Therefore, it shows minus I and plus I. The minus I and plus I means what? The plus I means electron donating inductive effect. That means the groups which donates electron, that groups are called electron donating group, and this shows the electron donating inductive effect. Here B is a more electronegative, therefore B possesses del minus charge and A possesses del positive. Therefore, this is the inductive effect in A and B molecule. These two effects simultaneously operate within a sigma bond. Therefore, it is within sigma bond, and it is distance dependent effect because as the length of carbon chain increases, the decrease the inductive effect, and approximately after 4 to 5 carbon it get stop. Here there is a del negative charge over this X, and CH2 possess del positive. This CH2 possess del positive positive. That means this is a distance dependent effect, where X are fluorine, chlorine, NO2 like a electron withdrawing groups. Here we have carbon fluorine bond, carbon Cl bond, and carbon oxygen bond. The fluorine, chlorine, and oxygen are electronegative. Therefore, fluorine, chlorine, and oxygen possess del negative, and the carbon attached to these atoms possess del positive. The carbon has electronegativity of 2.5 and fluorine has electronegativity of 4.0, and the difference of these are 1.5 says that the carbon and fluorine bond are very polar. Therefore, carbon fluorine bond is a shorter and stronger bond than CCl bond than carbon and oxygen bond. Therefore, these three shows the minus I inductive effect, and in this molecule there are hydrogen, CH3, and tertiary butyl group. All are the electron donating, therefore they possess del positive charge, and the attached carbon possess del negative charge. This shows the plus I inductive effect, and here in this molecule there is a greater plus I effect than this one. Here another example of inductive effect: chlorine electronegative, therefore it possesses del negative charge, then it possesses del positive. This hydrogen is acidic proton, therefore in this elimination is also possible. Here are some examples of carbocation. This is the methyl carbocation, primary carbocation, secondary carbocation, and tertiary carbocation. The tertiary carbocation is most stable and the methyl carbocation is least stable, because here are 3 methyl groups are electron donating to this carbocation, therefore stability of this carbocation is greater than other 3 carbocations. Here we have an order for plus I inductive effect and minus I inductive effect. In plus I inductive effect order, there is a CH2 negative donates first, then NH negative, then O negative, then COO negative, then alkyl groups, so on. Okay, so why this CH2 has greater electron donating tendency than NH negative? Because nitrogen is more electronegative than carbon, therefore carbon donates its electron easily than nitrogen. Also the same case in NH negative and O negative, but here we write the COO negative later than O negative, because there is a carbonyl group, and O negative, the negative charge of this oxygen can be delocalizes with this carbonyl group, hence this O negative donates easily than this O negative. Okay, and here we write the CT3 greater than CD3 than CH3, also the tritium greater electron donating tendency than deuterium than hydrogen. This is why, because the tritium has greater mass than deuterium and hydrogen, therefore shorter the bond length and it shows the more plus I effect. Therefore CT3 donates more than CD3 than CH3. Therefore we write here the CT3 first, then CD3, CH3, also same tritium greater than deuterium greater than hydrogen. Here we have an order minus I inductive effect: OF2 positive, OCl2 positive, NF3, and so on. This fluorine is the most electronegative, therefore it withdraws its electron, and therefore we write the OF2 first, then OCl2, then NF3, NR3, NH3. Okay, here NR3 positive greater than NH3. Why this is so? Though alkyl groups are electron donating, then why we write here the Nr3 positive greater electron withdrawing than NH3? Because the minus I effect in Nr3 is greater than NH3. Here nitrogen has a smaller size. When three alkyl groups are attached to it, it increases the steric hindrance and get away. Due to this, the bond length is increases. Therefore, there is deficiency of electron on nitrogen, and hence nitrogen shows the greater minus I effect as compared to NH3. But the order is reverse in case of phosphorus due to the greater size of phosphorus atom. Here we write the order for phosphorus and order for nitrogen. Here are three alkyl groups. Therefore, the steric crowding is increases. Therefore, the bond length increases and the electron donating power is increases. Therefore, we write Nr3 positive first, then NH3 positive. But the case is reverse in case of phosphorus due to the greater size of phosphorus. Also, we write here the OR is greater than OH, because in case of OR, here we write R like a ethyl group. The electronegativity of carbon atom is 2.5 and the oxygen is 3.5, while the electronegativity of hydrogen is 2.1. As the carbon is more electronegativity, therefore more electronegative than hydrogen atom, therefore it withdraw the sigma electron density towards itself. But the hydrogen has less electronegative than carbon, therefore it can easily donate. Therefore, electron withdrawing power is greater in case of OR than OH. Hence, we write here the minus I inductive effect is greater for OR than OH. Here we have two examples. In this example, the chlorine is more electronegative, therefore it shows minus I inductive effect, and CH3 shows plus I inductive. This is the simple one. In this case, this is the sp2 carbon and this one is sp3 carbon. Since the sp hybrid orbital contains more s character, therefore it is closer to its nucleus, therefore it forms shorter bond. Because of and the same reason, in case of sp2 hybrid orbital, it forms shorter bond than sp3 hybrid orbital. As the greater s character of hybrid orbital, the greater the electronegativity, because s orbital holds electron more tightly to the nucleus. Hence, the electronegativity is sp is greater than sp2 than sp3. Hence, this carbon atom shows minus I inductive effect and this carbon atom shows plus I inductive effect. Here, the stability is plus I increases the stability of cation, plus I decreases the stability of anion. Minus I increases the stability of anion and minus I decreases the stability of cation. Here we have some examples of carbanion and carbcation. In this case, the negative charge present over this sp carbon atom, in this sp2 carbon atom and this one sp3 carbon atom. As we know, the electronegativity of sp is greater than sp2 than sp3. Therefore, this is the in this case the minus I increases the stability of anion. Therefore, this is the more stable than this one. And here the carbocations, in this case this is the smaller ring. In smaller ring, greater the outer angle. This one is inner angle and this is the outer angle. The outer angle if increases, then the electronegativity get increases. As the electronegativity increases, there is a more minus I effect, and the minus I effect decreases the stability of cation. Therefore, in this case, the smaller ring are less stable than the greater one, and here the 6-member ring this is the more stable. Here are some examples and the reactivity order. This is the aldehyde. In this case, this methyl group donates its electron because the carbon is electron deficient. Oxygen possesses del negative and carbon possesses del positive. This methyl group is donates via plus I effect. In this case, there is a methyl group donates also there is a NH2. The lone pair over the nitrogen atom is delocalizes with this carbonyl group. Here same, but here this OR2 group. Then this is the Cl electron withdrawing minus I inductive effect. This is the plus I inductive effect. In this case the electron withdrawing carbonyl group is here, but the lone pair delocalizes with this carbonyl group. Hence the reactivity order is the 4 number is greater than first, because here though CH3 is donates electron to this carbon atom, but chlorine withdraw the electron, therefore this carbon atom is more deficient, therefore this one is more reactive, therefore we write in reactivity order 4 as a first. The next one is first. In this case the CH3 donates its electron, and here hydrogen also, if this is not electron withdrawing, therefore we write next to 4 is this first molecule. Then in case of 5, 2 and 3, here all these are electron donating attached to this carbon atom, but nitrogen is less electronegativity than oxygen, therefore the third number molecule is greater reactive than second one. But in case of this molecule, there is presence of this carbonyl group, and the lone pair over this oxygen also delocalizes with this carbonyl group, therefore we write 4, the reactivity order is 4 is greater reactive than first one, then fifth one, then third one, and the least reactive is this amide group. Here are some examples of bases, and we write the order of basicity. Here in first molecule there is a smaller ring, therefore the greater minus I effect, and it does not easily donate its lone pair. Same case in second and third one, but in 6-member ring the position of lone pair is not fixed due to the ring flipping, and hence it cannot easily donate. Therefore the order of basicity is third one is more basic than fourth one, then second one, and then first one. In next example, here NR3 molecule is less basic than this bicyclic molecule, because in this NR3 molecule, here we write there is an inversion of lone pair, therefore electron density is not fixed to donate, therefore it is a less basic. But in second molecule the electron density is fixed at the bridgehead position, therefore it can easily donate, and hence this molecule is more basic, therefore we write NR3 is less basic than this bicyclic molecule. In third case, here NR3, then here this one, and here 2 nitrogens are present. Here 1 nitrogen is extra, therefore the nitrogen is electronegative, therefore it withdraw the electrons, therefore this one is less basic than this one, therefore we write the order for basicity is second one is more basic than third one, and then first one. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching.